everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia Camarda if you're new, and today is a very impulsive video. This is going to be the most expensive Apple product that I've ever bought. After this, I'll see you bitches in September because I am done. However, I have been wanting a MacBook for a few weeks now, and today something in me just cracked and I was like, today is the day. Today is the freaking day. So we are getting a MacBook, but not just any MacBook. We are getting the M3 Pro MacBook Pro, and we are getting it in space black because that is obviously the elite color. I figured because this is the most expensive Apple product I have ever purchased, we're gonna do it in the most obnoxious and bougie way. So I'm in my Tesla and we're gonna order it off of the Tesla. So firstly, we are gonna go to Best Buy because they are doing a sale and we love a good sale. And as you can see, they have a lot of specials going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. Okay, so we have searched the MacBook Pros and we've got them up. We are going to go for the 14-inch and we are going to get the M3 Pro 1TB. So I feel like this will be the one that we're going for. They're doing $200 off, which makes a small dent in this very hefty payment. However, this MacBook is gonna last me at least 5 years. I just know that this is the move. So we've got everything under control and we're just gonna add it to the cart. Okay, we've got it in the cart. Let's verify that this is the model that we want. I'm positive that it is. Here is our subtotal. That pains me. However, I'm gonna use my Apple Card. Thoughts and prayers, you know? Thoughts and prayers. Okay, and place order. That was so freaking extra. Alright guys, so we've made it here and we're about to go in. So wish me luck. We've acquired the goods. And to be honest, I'm on a high right now. Can't bring me down. Is that joke done? I don't know. I'm definitely on a high right now though. Because look at this. The box. Can we not have people walk by? Before I actually jump off a cliff because people are walking by, you could see them right behind me. They're in the bushes. Can y'all leave? I'll wait. I'll wait. Yeah, that's right. No more distractions. The sun is gonna set. The box is a little bit beat up, to be honest with you guys. Best Buy is playing games sometimes, but let's just open it. It's got the peel thing, so let's just do it. Let's do the bottom. This is so obnoxious. And let's unveil it. Oh great, more people are walking by. I thought I picked a nice cozy spot that no one hangs out because I'm literally next to the Geek Squad cars on the side of the Best Buy. But alas, little kids like to hang out here. Let's open it. Wait, they're literally sitting right in front of me. Like, I can't do this actually. Let's move. Let's move. I can. Okay, actually they left. Let's get into it. What we've all been waiting for. Let's do it. Ooh, look at her. This is hefty. This is hefty. This feels like the classic MacBooks that were around when I was a kid. I actually really like that Apple went back to the square boxy look. I think it's just good. You guys can make good computers. They don't need to be paper thin. Let me shut the hell up and open this. Wow. This is something else. I didn't know that they were engraved like that. Oh my god, this is rich. Oh my goodness. Here she is. Let me get out of the picture so you guys can admire. The 14-inch, let me hold it this way. The 14-inch MacBook Pro in space black. I'm so happy I got this color. I honestly was debating getting the silver because all my Apple products are white or silver, but this is gorgeous. Not to be dramatic, but everybody needs this. I'm such a bad influence. Let's open it. Oh. A benefit of getting the space black color is the fact that the keyboard actually blends into the rest of the computer. I don't like how the silver one is like a black inlay and then the rest of it is silver. I just feel like that doesn't hit for some reason. Let me take this off. I can't believe I'm doing this in my car on the side of Best Buy. Like, can you see the brick wall? Here's how it looks. I am so happy I did this. This was slightly very impulsive, but I have no regrets. I am going to use the absolute blank out of this computer. I'm getting like a rash because I'm so excited. Maybe I'll flip the camera so you guys can get it.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
So you guys can get a good look at it. I'm gonna flip the camera angle. Data and privacy, we're just gonna continue. For this, we're just not gonna transfer anything, accepting the terms and conditions. Then we're gonna make an account, so we will be Sophia Camarda today. Wow, I can't believe how snappy the screen is. This is crazy. For the picture, I'm just gonna do a white heart with this background. That's my go-to. We will enable location services. I do share my analytics. Screen time we'll set up later. Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
She's a
Choose
vibe.
the voice you'd like me to use.
Okay,
Change it
continue.
later in system settings.
Siri, how's the weather? I hate talking to these things, so this is taking everything in me. Okay, she's ready, and I will never use her. And let's set up Touch ID. So you just have to use your finger and place it on like this. And it will scan your fingerprint. And now it's ready. So I'm gonna use the auto light and dark mode, and we're in. This is the M3 Pro, Macbook Pro in space black. She is absolutely gorgeous. She is matching the Tesla. This is gonna go everywhere with me. I cannot wait. This is gonna be so useful to be able to get my work done and work on my website and my videos when I'm not sitting at my desk. So I feel like I'm no longer chained to one spot, which is amazing. And this computer is extremely powerful. It's even more powerful than my iMac that I just got last November. So this is gonna stick with me a really long time. I think it's going to do me very well. And I still am in shock that I did this. But here we are, and I'm so freaking excited. Here's the port. So it's got an SD card slot, which is amazing. It's got USB-C as well as an HDMI port. On this side, it's got the charging port as well as 2 more USB-C ports and a headphone jack. So you know what? They leveled up with this one. I know that's been around for a while, but I really appreciate that because I used to have a MacBook Air as well as one of the old MacBook Pros, and they did not have any of that. So this is an upgrade. And here is a good look of the bottom as well. The MacBook Pro. I'm sure some people want to see inside the box, so they do give you this pamphlet as usual. It comes with 2 black Apple stickers, which are actually so sick. Then it comes with this power brick as well as a black cable. I feel like the brick should have been black, but what do I know? I just go here. Maybe if Apple invited me to their team meetings, we would fix that. But you know what? One thing at a time. And here's one more look of the beauty that is the MacBook Pro. She is so gorgeous. This color is absolutely hitting. I also think this is the perfect size. The 16-inch I feel like would be aggressive because this is pretty heavy. She is a star. She is an absolute star. So me and my MacBook Pro have things to do. I'm gonna take her home and we're gonna play some heavy Sims. Thank you guys for watching. This was such an extra video, but in conclusion, to be serious, this is an amazing computer. I'm not even like, I mean, I am an Apple fangirl, but this is a great computer. They went off with this one. It is so aggressively powerful. It's beautifully designed. This is just, it's everything. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to join my Discord and check out my website for digital downloads and more. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!